Want to start a business without inventory or upfront cost? Here's your beginner's guide to the print-on-demand business, step by step. Print-on-demand, or POD, lets you sell custom-designed products like t-shirts or mugs, without ever touching inventory. Everything is automated. Step 1. Choose a platform like Printful or Printify. Upload your design, and they'll handle printing and shipping. Step 2. Connect your pod provider to a store like Etsy or Shopify. Create listings with great titles, mockups, and descriptions. Step 3. Design your products. You don't need to be an artist. Use free tools like Canva or ask ChatGPT for ideas. Step 4. Promote your store using TikTok, Instagram, and even Etsy ads. The more traffic you get, the more sales you make. With consistent effort, your pod business can bring in real income. Many beginners start earning within weeks. So what are you waiting for? Start your print-on-demand journey today and build your online business the smart way.